Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to work on this dashboard. In my last video, we came to know that how we can create the raw data. In my last video, I also told you that we will create one more dashboard on the data and we can show the meaningful insights from the data. Okay, so the data which we will be creating, which you guys will create, okay, for the practice, it always should have meaning, right? So on the basis of the data which we had created in the last video, on the basis of that we extract out these meaningful insights from the raw data. Okay, so this is the data. You guys can see the total earning in the east. Okay, total earning in the east was 29.9% out of all the zone. You guys can see in the east, in the north 18.69. If you guys want to see especially for particular product, you guys can select ball, for example. As soon as you are selecting on the ball, so you guys can see in the total earning in the east was 22.18%. The maximum is 30.74. It means the company is selling more balls in the north zone. Okay, so you guys also can see the month on month profit, cost and profit analysis as well. What was our cost and the profit? So the line you guys can see, this is the profit line, and the columns you guys can see in the green, it is our cost. The cost was here, but yes, how much sales we made. So this is something which is integrating. It is basically telling us that how the company is performing. Okay, so if I will remove all the filters, this will get changed. Okay, so this is something which we will be creating in today's video. Okay, so I'm just, this is the data which we had created, right? You guys can see. So I'm gonna hide these both sheet. Okay, now I'm gonna create one pivot table. Alt NVT, pressing and enter. So what I need to do, I need to put the zone in the rows and sales amount. In the sales amount, you guys can see I want to show its show value as the grand total. Okay, this is what, and now this is the actual 29.27% out of 100. So if I would do this 100 minus 100% minus this one, so now if I would decrease the decimal value, okay, I just decrease the decimal value now. Okay, so out of 100, okay, the 70.7% was remain and 29.27% achieved. I mean sales the east zone made. Okay, that is what we did. And the second pivot we need to create for the month on month analysis, right? Very simple, very simple. Okay, we will be keeping the things very simple. Sales amount would be remain same here, remain same. Cost I'm gonna put here, and product, not the date column we created, right? Month date. Okay, right. So I just want to see it cost. I don't want here any calculation. It would be no calculation. Okay, we did it. All right, also you guys can show it in the percent as well. So let's make it in the percent. In the grand total, cost was so value. So now you guys can see, okay, from this pivot table that what we are showing. Okay, so month on month, if you will see in the Jan month, okay, 12.8% was our cost, but 12.9% we made the sale. It means 1%, 0.1%, basically we are going and company is going in the profit. Okay, month on month, if you will see the trend in every month, so you will see, so there is no discrepancy. You guys can see we will be have company is in the profit. Okay, but in the month of Feb, the company went into the loss. Okay, so let's do it. Sales amount we did. So not the sales amount, I think it should be, okay, let's keep it sales amount. Now the two pivot table we created. Okay, and next one more sheet we need to create for the dashboard. Alt H I am pressing. Okay, and giving the name as a dashboard 1. So in today's video also we will learn how we can create the donut chart. Okay, KPI dashboard. Okay guys, KPI dashboard. Increase the font size, giving the blue color, and font color I am just giving, okay, and removing the grid line. Okay, we have done everything. So I'm gonna create one, donut chart. Going in insert, going in here, going in the pie chart. So the donut chart, you need to pick it up. Okay, I just pick it here and just resizing it. I'm right clicking on it, going in select data. In the select data, just click on add, and here you need to write 1 comma 1 12 times. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21, for example, I'm taking. Okay, and clicking on OK. So this is something we will be creating the donut chart, which would be very attractive. The chart title also I am removing. Now you guys can see I am right clicking on it, going in format data series. In the fill, I am going to give the color as blue. Okay, that's we created, and removing the outline as well. Okay, I am just removing the outline and no fill first, and then removing the outline that we did it. Okay, just copy and paste 4 times because we have a 4 zone. Okay, copy it and click somewhere else and paste it here, and let's change the color. I'm giving the color as this orange one. Okay, and again just copy it and paste it here and give the color. We will resize it again. Okay, we will give it would be no fill. Click on this, the bars, give the color as, for example, green. Okay, and again just copy it and paste it here and give the color as whatever color that you want. Okay, I'm giving the color as yellow. Now we did it. Okay, we created this one. Next, what we need to do, we need to show the trend. Okay, the 29.27% I need to show where in this donut chart. So I'm right clicking on it, clicking on select data, add series value. In the series value, go in the sheet 5 where we created the summary. 29.7, these two cells you need to select. Okay, 29.27, and the in the C column where we did the 100% minus the actual sales the each zone has made, 29.27%. Okay, and click again and okay, that is what you have done. Just right click on it, go and change series chart type. Okay, and series 2. In the series 2, you need to go in the combo. In series 2, you need to click check in. Okay, check the checkbox, click on okay, just double click on the blue portion. Okay, blue portion, you need to give no color, no fill. In the orange part, you need to give it white giving, and increase the transparency. I'm increasing the transparency. Okay, that is what we did. Okay, the same activity we need to do with all these donut chart, but before this we need to make it completely. Okay, so let's make it. Okay, make this donut also. Okay, this was east. I'm just manually writing for the timing east. It should be north. Now it is north. Okay, and again just right click on it, select data, go and add. In the series value, again select the north values. Okay, and right click on this out of this blue portion and change series chart type. It should be check in. Okay, and click on this blue part, right click. Okay, format data series already we have. It should be no fill. All right, blue part. Okay, blue part and no fill, and the orange part should be the white. Okay, increase the transparency. Great, the same we did. And next what we have south. In the south, just right click and select data, add. In the series, select south. Okay, and okay, just click the blue part, right click, change series chart type and select check the checkbox. Okay, select only the blue portion, again no fill. Orange part should be in white, same as we did, we did first two donut chart. Okay, same here. Now next what we have, west. Just right click, select data. In the select data, what you need to do, add. In the add, you need to go in series values, go in sheet 5, north one we selected. Okay, and okay, then again same thing, just right click, change series chart type, check in. Okay, and the blue portion select, it should be no fill, and it should be no fill, and this orange part should be in white, and increase the transparency. It should be this one. Okay, so now you guys can see what we did here. We actually we created this donut chart. Okay, why we created this donut chart? To just show the actual sales, actual, the sales amount which each zone actually has made. Okay, which each zone has made, and also we will be, putting the filtering as well. Okay, so let's do it. So might be this video a little longer, but all right, no worries. Okay, we did it. We need to decorate it little. We need to decorate it, decreasing the size of it. Okay, decreasing the size. You guys can set it as per the requirement as you want. Okay, all right, set it as per the requirement. Yes, we did it almost. What next we need to do? We almost did it. Okay, increase little size. Okay, west, last one, the west. Okay, so how we can write it? Okay, select this east, or you guys also can write total sales in. Okay, where? In sheet 5 east one. Okay, just decorate it and give the font color as blue. Increase the font size. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, you guys can do. In sales it should be A6, I believe. Yes, A6, A7, A8. Okay, it should be A8, A7 first. It should be A8, A8. Change the font color also. Okay, we change the font color. It should be green. Okay, and this should be yellow. All right, so you guys can set it like this. Let's, okay, increase the space for the filter. Okay, the slicer we will be creating, you guys can bifurcate it. You can design it as per the requirement, or however you want to design it. Okay, need to put the, still we need to do one thing. What we need to do, we need to give the percentage also, right? So go, just click on the chart, go in the format, take one shape from here and select it like this, and it should be no fill first, no outline. Okay, it should be normally equal to sheet 5, which is 29.7. Enter. Okay, just you need to set it. Okay, just give it like this, bold, increase the font size and change the color as a blue. Okay, that's with it. If you want to increase it more, you guys can do it like this. You need to increase the size, then copy and paste it. Copy, just only copy. After copy, you need to select the different visual and paste it here. come here and change the font color. Not a font color, just first of all change the cell reference. It should be 17.18. Increase the size, okay, and increase the font color also. Just this, you need to copy it and paste it here in this visual. Set it as per the requirement, okay. And you need to also change the cell reference, which would be 25.80%. Increase the font size, bold it, and change the color, okay. So just copy it. You need to copy it again, copy and paste it, and again same thing as we did in previous, with all these donut chart. Change the cell reference. It was the main part, where we actually given the much time, okay, because this is donut chart and we modified it and give this color. You guys can see we created this donut chart, okay. This is the donut chart we created, okay. And let's put the slicer also in pivot table. Insert slicer, create the slicer on the product, cut it and paste it here in the dashboard, okay. And let's break it in the columns. Slicer 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Let's set it like this, all right, and change the color as blue, okay. And right click it and connect all the pivot table with this single slicer. Report connection, check it. Pivot table 6, it is pivot table. Let's get the pivot table name, pivot table 6, okay. So just right click and connect this slicer with the pivot table 6 also, so that whatever value we are changing here, that reflection, that changes should be happen in both the pivot table, okay. Click ok. If I would select any product, for example selecting bat, you guys can see these donut chart also increasing or decreasing as per the achievement, okay. So in the product of jacket, for example, in east zone we made 29.70%, okay. You guys can say it. Now the rest, you guys can see the maximum. In the west we sold more jackets. In west zone, with the companies performing good in the terms of jacket product, right? So one more chart we would like to create, which would be cost and profit analysis month on month, okay. Go in insert, okay, select any column chart. I'm selecting it, and remove all the buttons, and cut it and paste it here in the dashboard sheet. Pasting it here, okay. Remove it, okay. This chart you guys can decorate as per the requirement. I'm not gonna give more time to this visual, okay. So this is something which is very simple. So you guys go in the design, you guys can keep the visual as you want, okay. For example, this is also good, okay. Just let's keep it and give the data label also. But this data label, one of a data label I want to keep it in the center, and would like to give the font color as white, okay. And remove the grid line. If I would do full screen, then you see, keep it little up, okay. Let's give the title also. In chart title we would like to give month on month cost and profit analysis. Okay, matlab, you guys can do, as per the requirement. Just I did it. All right. So I hope guys you have, I mean, you can also set the title as well. Okay, I'm just keeping it here as per the requirement guys, that you can create. All I wanted to show you first the donut chart, how we can create from the scratch, and the second, how we can create the raw data from ourselves, okay, without having any source of data. Okay, and create the data and create the dashboard so that we can show the meaningful insights from that raw data. All right, so I hope guys you have liked this video, and I will attach this workbook, okay, in the description box guys. You can download it from there and you can start to do the practice. All right, apart from that, if you have any question, you guys can comment me and I will definitely reply you back, and we'll try to resolve your query. Okay, we'll try to resolve your query as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much everyone for watching this video.